Luciano, great having you here with us at our pop-up studio at Stockholm Fintech Week.
Thank you very much.
All right, before we start, for those that have not had the pleasure of meeting you, tell us briefly who you are and what you do.
Okay, I'm Luciano. I'm the co-founder at Transtar Networks, and we are deploying the next cloud solution for the small and medium businesses in fintechs.
All right, we love anyone that does anything for small and medium businesses. We hail them because it's a backbone of the economy. We've been talking to many companies that are servicing that segment. Kudos to you. Help us understand what is the key value proposition of your company.
Well, we help them to deploy the services they need faster and at most cost-effective, also cheaper than the competition, basically. So this is the most paying area for them.
So when you talk about services, specifically which services are we talking about?
Well, we are selling the cloud solutions, compute storage, and in a full compliant GDPR environment. So that's what we do.
Right. So as a cloud solution, there's several other solutions in the market for cloud. What makes you unique other than just more cost-effective, but more affordable services?
Okay, yeah, we offer them to launch pre-installed applications, so they can do it in 25 minutes or half an hour. When before we don't have this ready, you will take about 3 or 4 months to launch. So that's our value proposition: is to go fast to the market and be most efficient.
Right. Okay. Now we're here on day 2 at Stockholm Fintech Week. Tell us a little bit, what's the value for a company like yours to be present here?
Well, it was very good to be here. There is a lot of interesting other entrepreneurs, startups, and also some other companies, and the networking is amazing.
And the key takeaway for you has been?
Well, I would recommend to come to Stockholm, and this is an amazing event.
All right. Well, Luciano, I hope you enjoy the second day of Stockholm Fintech Week. Thank you very much for stopping by.
Thank you.